Okay, y'all, it's official. I no longer wear store-bought deodorant. I am no longer wearing deodorant, and I want to share with you guys what I switched to, why I stopped, and why I'm never going back. And I'm basically going to be reviewing this natural deodorant alternative that I came across. I've been using for a few weeks now, and it works like a charm. This is what it looks like. It's basically paste consistency, and I just use my little cosmetic spatula, get some on there, and just apply it the same way that I do a deodorant. I'll probably make a separate video with a tutorial on how I made this, but it's a mixture of coconut oil, baking soda, and lavender. 3 ingredients. If you follow me on TikTok, you might have seen a little bit of my from toxic to natural lifestyle journey. And the whole reason behind that is because the more I find these natural alternatives, the more I'm finding how simplified things can be, how much more cost effective, and just how much more it makes sense. Why are we wasting so much money giving money to companies who are providing us with products that are toxic, that have side effects that we're not aware of, and that are just not healthy? I can't even tell you how many crazy reactions I've had to wearing deodorant throughout my life. It's ridiculous. So once I decided to go on this journey and I started seeing how easy it was to find these alternatives, it's a wrap. I'm never looking back. And just to get away from the residue that never seems to get out of your skin, even after you take a shower. And I'm not gonna lie, when I decided to stop wearing deodorant,
I was scared.
Because your girl is sweaty. I low-key be over here sweating like a man, and there was one point in time where I would have never considered not wearing deodorant just for that simple fact alone. I'm so self-conscious about it. I'm just like, I'll take the risk. Give me the aluminum deodorant with all the toxic chemicals. It actually works, and I was so scared that it was not gonna work. I'm like, it's not gonna work for me. It might work for somebody else. But the thing was, it didn't work right away. I did not see a difference within the first few days to a week maybe. So happy I stuck with it and I did not give up, because what it does is balances your skin's pH, which naturally reduces and minimizes odor. And I also heard that during those beginning stages, your body is actually detoxing from using those store-bought deodorants with all those toxic chemicals, and you might end up experiencing an even stronger odor while it's getting out of your system. Also keep in mind that you don't want to just focus on covering up the scent of body odor with just using deodorant. Part of it has to do with what you're putting in your body and what your diet is like. Perspiration and sweat is also very much stress related. So you have to do some research and get to know your body and understand how your body works to really understand what the real solutions are going to be. I've also heard that lime works really well, and I'm probably gonna give that a try, maybe test it out for like a week or 2, and I'll be back with a review on that one and let you guys know how it went. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful in any way. This is the home of all things all natural and holistic, where we're giving you all things holistic lifestyle, natural remedies, natural alternatives, and we're simplifying it so that everyone can have access to these very important tips. And we're making these lifestyle swaps very realistic and easy to follow. Look out for the tutorial on how I made this natural deodorant alternative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.